Neurons can be grouped by structure or function. We'll first look at structural differences. If you look at the cell body of the neuron, you can see that there is a single axon coming out of that cell body, but many, many dendrites. This would be multipolar. There are many extensions from that cell body. In the second case, bipolar represents the fact that there are two extensions from the cell body. And unipolar represents a cell that has a single extension that then splits into two. So we have multipolar, bipolar, and unipolar, depending on the number of extensions coming off that cell body. Multipolar neurons are commonly found in the brain and spinal cord. Bipolar neurons are found in the eyes, nose, and ears, our sensory receptors. And unipolar neurons are found in ganglia, outside the central nervous system. Ganglia are groups of cell bodies. Now we're going to look at the functional differences of our neurons. We have sensory neurons, that is, neurons of the peripheral nervous system that bring in information from our outside world. These are called afferent neurons. We have interneurons. These neurons are located in the spinal cord. And we have motor neurons. These neurons would leave the spinal cord and go out to muscles or glands to have an effect. These are efferent, some people say efferent, E for exit neurons. Motor neurons are multipolar neurons that conduct impulses from the central nervous system to the effectors. An effector could be a muscle or a gland. Sensory neurons conduct impulses from the peripheral receptors to the central nervous system. Sensory neurons are usually unipolar, although some are bipolar. Interneurons are multipolar neurons that lie within the central nervous system. That is actually within the spinal cord, and they form links between the sensory neurons and the motor neurons. Which of the following is the neuron most commonly found in the brain and spinal cord? Unipolar, semipolar, multipolar, bipolar, or hemipolar? The correct answer is multipolar. Which of the following neuron carries impulses away from the central nervous system? Sensory neurons, interneurons, motor neurons, afferent neurons, or both motor neurons and afferent neurons? The correct answer is C, motor neurons. If we wanted another term that represents neurons carrying impulses away from the central nervous system, we would say efferent neurons.